Dear students of today we are going to start class 3 chapter number 3 unit 1, that is the noun and the kinds of noun. So firstly we are going to study common noun. Now look at these pictures and then read the sentences given below. The teacher speaks to his pupil, means the teacher and the pupil both are the name of a person, so they will be considered as common nouns. Now mice and cats are the name of animals, so they will be considered as common noun. Then windows and rooms are the name of places, pastries and plates are the names of thing, and apple and mango are also the names of things. Now words which are used as the name of a person, place, animal or thing are called nouns, and all these nouns are called common nouns. Exercise 1. In each of the following sentences, pick out the names of animals, person, place or things. One is done for you. The king helped the poor beggar, means the king and the poor beggar will be the common noun. The man gave some sweets to the orphan. The man and the orphan will be considered as common noun because they are the names of a person. And in the next page we can see dog barks at thieves, means dog is a common noun because it's the name of animal, and thieves also a name of a person. Now in exercise 2 we have to arrange the nouns in respective columns. All these nouns are given, so we have to arrange by place, animal, places, person, animals, places and things. So person, suppose hill is there, first word hill is places, so we'll write in this column. Then priest is person, then we'll write in this column. Then country, also places, and we'll write in places columns. Then aeroplane in this column. Then frog in this column. In this way we will do the rest of them. Now exercise 3. All the words in these list are nouns except one. Write the word which is not a noun. So here all the words are noun except the one word. So we have to search in back, front, top, under, corner. Suppose you can say corner. Then aeroplane, scooter, steamer, train, quick. Carpenter, conductor, there, butcher, dentist, there. In the rest way we can do the other. Exercise 4. All the words are in list are noun, but one noun is different from the other. Write a word which is different, means the different word. Coffee, milk, ink, lemonade, ink. Crow, eagle, snake, parrot, pigeon, snake. Carrot, radish, peas, jelly, potatoes, jelly. School, library, stadium, iron, hall, iron. And in this way we can do the others. Now exercise 5. All the words that describes the part of a body common nouns. Complete the sentences with the correct common noun. We see with our eyes. We clap with our hands. We smell with our nose. We hear with our ears. We smile with our mouth. We lick with our tongue. We bite with our teeth. And we nod with our head. Now come to proper nouns. Read the following sentences. Tom is my friend. Sita sang sweetly. He is a good boy. She is a pretty girl. It is a big city. It is a big country. We live in India. So all these, Tom, Mohan, Hari, Ashok are the name of a boy, and Tom is a proper noun while a boy is called a common noun. Sita is the name of a particular girl and therefore it is called a proper noun. So whatever the name of a particular thing or person or an animal is known as proper noun. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter, which is the most important rule. A name which does not point to any particular person, place, animal or thing, but is common to all person, places or thing, same class of kind, is called a common noun. You will notice that the special name of a person, places, river, street, days, months begins with a capital letter. Tom Smith, capital. New Delhi, capital. New Year's Day, capital. Now exercise 6. How many special names do you know? With these proper nouns, do not forget to begin with a capital letter. A city beginning with Delhi, so you have to make the capital D of Delhi. A girl beginning with Yoshida, you have to write Y. Means all the capital particular one word is given to you, and in this way we have to do the rest. Now we'll come to the next page. Exercise 7. Exercise 7. Write the following sentences putting in the capital letters where necessary and underline the common nouns. In these sentences, we have to write the particular place names in capital letters, and we have to underline the common noun in this. So you can go through it. And collective noun. Collective noun shows a collection of something or person or thing as a complete whole. There was a large crowd of people means collection of people. What do we call it? We call it crowd. And then the army marched away. What do we call it? The army means it is a collection of soldiers. In this way, we will go through all the collections one by one. A name given to a collection or a person or thing is taken as, that is called collective noun. You have learned 3 kinds of noun: the common noun, proper noun, and collective noun. And they are also known as concrete noun, which you can see. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns. Suppose we saw a herd of cattle in the field. A large crowd of people gathered in the street. An army consists of soldiers. Our team won the match. You can write team over here. Team won the match. And then dash consists of 40 peoples. Our class consists of 40 peoples. In this way, we can do the rest of them. Now the exercise 9. Each sentence has a collective noun and another noun. Put them under the right column. There could be more than another noun. Means in the sentence, one is collective noun and the other nouns are also there. You can give it one by one. Now, a pride of lions lived in the great forest. Pride, collective noun, lion and great forest, other noun. The peal of bells could be heard a mile away. Peal, collective noun, bells, another noun. A gang of robbers, gang, collective noun, robbers, merchants, highway, common noun, means they are other nouns. Okay, in this way we can do the rest of them. And now we come to the end of the chapter. Thank you, class.